Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create your own account on Temu. It is really simple. All you need to do is use this sign in button at the bottom of the screen, or you can go to the card and then you will find sign in/register button at the top over here. So we can press over here and you will be redirected to this page, and then you can either continue with Google or Facebook account if you have any of these, which will make it easier for you, or if you don't have them or you prefer to create an independent account that is not connected to Google or Facebook, then you can, in this first field over here, you can enter the email or phone number of yours, after which you will receive a code which you will need to enter. So I'm gonna use my phone number. In this example, I'm gonna enter my phone number and then I'm gonna press continue. Once you get the code, simply type the code. And then you can switch to your page over here where you can enter the email in order to finish the registration and provide some security of your account. So let's do that. Then you will be sent a verification code to your email. So let's enter the code. And then you will see this information that your email has been added to your account. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.